Hey everybody, welcome back to another video. And as we get ready for spring flowers, we have to do some maintenance. So this is maintenance video number 3, and I'm going to be cleaning out the front planter completely, taking out some of those spent tulips, and more importantly, all of the weeds that seem to grow in there so well. I'm also going to go ahead and trim back some of the boxwoods in a moment, but as you can see here, lots of weeds in there growing. I did put some mulch down in there earlier, and it it was okay, but still I had plenty of weeds in there. I think they were seeded from last year. But anyways, went through, pulled all those out, used my scraping tool to get behind my roses to pull whatever was growing behind the roses out into the front. And now what I'm going to do here is I'm going to go again and trim back my boxwoods and really try to create that round shape with them. I trimmed them back in the fall, and they really have sprouted out a lot over the winter. And so I'm going to kind of trim them a little bit to keep their shape and take time to really kind of mold that whole area. And it does finish off the flower bed beautifully. And as I'm thinking about this, I want to make sure that everything's taken care of this way. When I plant my summer annuals in the flower bed, I don't have to do any maintenance throughout. The only thing that I'm going to have to do is trim the roses. So anyways, we hope you like this video. And yeah, let's get it cleaned up so we can get ready for spring.